Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina. I'm a completion coach here at Crafton Hills College. Today we'll be going over how to drop a course. Note, it is always recommended to meet with a counselor first to see how this is going to affect your student education plan here at Crafton Hills College. To view your classes, go to craftonhills.edu, then go to Logins, then Self-Service. You're then going to click on My Academics, and then you're going to find the course you want to drop. You're going to click on the blue bar that says Drop Course. Be careful with this step as you don't want to drop the wrong course. It will normally ask you for a reason why you are dropping the course. Please select the one that is closest to why you are dropping. If it is before the start date, it will not ask for a reason, so just select Update. You will then be unregistered, and you can use the X to remove it from your My Academics page. Do not be worried if you see it on your Canvas account for a few days. Note, all classes have different deadlines to drop the course. There is a date to drop the course and still receive a refund, a date to not receive a W, which is a withdrawal, and a date to receive a W instead of a letter grade. You can see these details under the Find Classes on the website. If you have any questions, you can request a completion coach at 909-389-3399 or follow the QRs for online bookings.